Dear self, stop pretending the red flags are green. It is the height of foolishness to believe he'll change, even after the wounds he carved into your body, your heart, your mind. It is a betrayal of self to let someone violate your gentle soul for a sweet kiss and a hug wrapped in lies. Yes, the thought of being alone can be terrifying, but no one deserves a love that is one sided, a bond that breaks you. You have every reason to love yourself and every right to choose peace over chaos, healing over harm. If you're looking for an inspirational video, this is it. Save and share this video to a friend, else get the Dear Self book.